While walking around Singapore's botanical garden, I spotted a large bird in a tree. While I'm familiar with the toucans of Costa Rica, this was my very first hornbill.
I can feel a change in everything, and as the surface breaks, reflections fade.
And to my surprise, there was two of them. And this one just caught a mid-afternoon snack. What do you think he's getting ready to munch on? Is that a spider? Maybe it's some type of flying insect. His dentist would be proud because right after his snack, he went to clean his beak. I am loving every hidden pocket of nature tucked away in the city of Singapore.